Hello, basedkitten here. Today I'll be playing brickrigs, and I have probably broken this game. And I probably went basedkitten. What the heck are you doing? Well, today I'm playing. Well, I'm playing brickrigs, and I may have just broken the game. Yep. Anyways, we'll go to sandbox mode, and then we're gonna do some fun stuff today. So, anyways, you're probably wondering, basedkitten, why haven't you uploaded in so long? I'm busy. I have school, but I'm on break, so I'll be uploading videos. Hopefully, maybe, not possibly, but actually possibly, I will maybe be uploading a video every week or day. Most likely every week, but I will try every day. Mind you, I'm probably breaking this game. So, yeah. What should I do? Let's see, can I? No, I can't. No. Okay, so I'm trying to get this house that I got from the workshop, and I'm trying to do it. Anyways, I am going to try and do some crazy stuff. Let's see. Okay. I just do. There we go. Okay, so I need to get here, and I'm gonna open a vehicle. Open. So, Bugatti. Let's not do that. So take the Bugatti. I had an idea. I'll go grab a nuke. I wanna see if can I nuke the Bugatti. Like I wanna do something crazy. And I go and open grenade. What should I get? I wanna know what I should get. Let's do a bus. Let's go all the way over here. And then alright, now I go over here, get my Bugatti. Doop-a-doop-a-doo-doop-a-doo-doo-doo-doo. And I need to get in here. And we're driving. Right in. And that was a fail. This thing is so fast. The Bugatti is like super fast. And let's not do that and ignore that ever happened. And alright, let's try and see if I can crash it in. Slow-mo. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, let's see if we can finish this thing off though. No, you get back here. Oh. Oh. I'm just breaking this thing. Oh my god. Ugh. My god. Ugh. Nice. Okay. See if I can crash this one more time. I am just gone. And I glitched on the map. That's fun, fun, fun. Oh my god. Look at, let's just like look at the damage. Look at that. Completely wrecked. Okay. Let's have more fun. Oh my god. This is crazy. Alright. Let's see. Alright, quickly. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you in 1 second. Alright, back. See what we can do. Alright. So you see this thing? Get my Bugatti. I'm gonna crash a Bugatti into a nuke. Bob's having a bad day. And I just completely wrecked that. Oh. Oh my god. It completely obliterated it. Oh my god. Look, there's a nuke. There's an action that's like part of the nuke. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my. And then like the actual explosion over here. Did the Bugatti get, like, is there any remains of it? Oh my god. Bob's Bob's not having a good day. I think Bob's dead. Oh well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there any remains of the Bugatti? That's literally it. I feel like it just got blasted halfway across the map. Look, there's like remains of the nuke right over there. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, Bob. I'm gonna just respawn. Oh, alright. I respawn the Bugatti. And that's not how you do it. Alright. We do not hire me as an Uber driver. Alright, so anyways, I'm gonna quickly be right back, and I'm gonna set something else up. Alright, so I set this thing up. Look at this, ready? Bugatti versus Nuke. Well, not Nuke, Tank. What, basedkitten, what are you doing? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. It completely wrecks it. Not as crazy as the Nuke, though. That was crazier. Look at that. Just as a full 180 in the air. Let's stick it. And it sticks the landing. Oh my god. Rest in peace, Bugatti. Anyways, I'm gonna do, maybe let's do the nuke again, because that was fun. Like, that was really fun. Okay, be right back. Let's set it up. Alright, I'm back. So let's crash it in. 3, 2, 1, impact! And that didn't do anything. But kill Bob. That's basically all it did. Let's try that again. Oh my god. What have I done? There's like remains of their last, of when I first did it. There's the other Bugatti from earlier. It's crazy though. This game's awesome. If you guys want me to do more brickrigs, just put hashtag awesomeness, or just, you know, never mind, don't do that, please, please, please don't do that. Just put hashtag based, and yeah. I'm trying to find where I put the nuke there. It exploded last time. 3, 2, 1, impact! Oh my god. Ring of fire right there. Wow. Oh my god. It's not really rent. Oh my god. It just exploded. Wow. Did any remains of the Bugatti still remain? Just a flaming tire right there. Wow. Oh my god. It's like part of the, it's act, or probably then, oh my god. Wow. I underestimated the nuke. Wow. Did it just get blown into the atmosphere? Yeah, I think it did. Like, I'm gonna like search the city. Is there any remains of it, or has it just completely been obliterated? I think it might have been completely obliterated. Wow. Wow. Oh wait, what is that? What is that right there? Is that from, oh, that's my off-camera experiment. That's my off-camera experiment. Before I start recording, I got pretty bored, so I just exploded things. Wait, never mind. This is the bus. Never mind. Bob's just gonna take a nap. I think. Yeah, Bob's just gonna take a nice nap. I don't think he's taking a nap. Yeah, Bob's not taking a nap. Okay, he's dead. Uh, well, if you like this video, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. And I'm basedkitten, and I'm out. And hit the like button if you want more brick rigs. See y'all later. Bye.